Hey guys, in this video we will be showing you how to do a hard reset on your Samsung Galaxy J3. So let's cut to the chase. First thing you want to do is you want to make sure that your device is powered off. Now that our device is powered off, you want to hold the volume up, the home button, and the lock button at the same time until you see the Samsung logo. After you see that, you can let everything go. And as you can see here at the top of the screen, it's recovery booting. Now give it a couple moments and it will be on the recovery screen. Now we are in the Android recovery screen. You want to use the volume down button to highlight wipe data / factory reset. And click the power button to select it. Now scroll down to yes, and again lock button to select it. Now it says the data wipe is complete. After that's complete, you can just reboot your system and the phone will be reset back to factory settings with no information on it. Everything will be deleted.